All right, so boom. Let me talk you through how to complete a risk assessment using the NIST cybersecurity framework on a fake company. The NIST cybersecurity framework actually has 4 core components. That's identify, protect, detect, respond, recover. So for identify, you're going to identify the systems, the assets, the business context. This will be your scope. Protect, detect, respond, recover. You're going to map proposed controls and talk about how they reduce the likelihood and the impact of the risk. Okay, so step 1, choose the scope and the context. So for example, if I'm doing Sunny retail store, my area of focus is going to be payment processing. Next, define your impact categories. So revenue loss, reputational impact, compliance, so forth and so on. Also assign stakeholders for each category. Next, do an inventory on the assets. And when I say assets, I mean the hardware, the software, the resources, etc. And then you're going to create a threat and a vulnerability for each of the assets. You can create a table, have the asset, have the threat, have the vulnerability. On that same table, include the risk, and then you're going to assess the risk on a scale of 1 through 5, assessing the likelihood and the impact. Then you're going to sort the risks and you're going to prioritize them by the risk score. And from here, you're going to recommend 1 to 3 controls for each of the risks according to the NIST cybersecurity framework that we mentioned earlier: identify, detect, protect, respond, recover. And so now you've created your risk register. You can go ahead and create a summary document of your top risks and the recommendations. So, as always, I hope this helps. If you want to see a template of this, drop a comment below. If you're not already, go ahead and give me a follow for more of these cybersecurity project tutorials. Okay, bye.